Hi friends, I'm Rahul. Welcome to my channel DIY Almost Everything. Today, a new product, a high pressure washer. This is a machine which we use for cleaning your vehicles, cleaning your garden, and I had many options on Amazon. I was not sure which to buy, but I saw a very good feedback for this product, so I opted for this. This is agro high pressure pump. It has a maximum pressure of 120 bars. Self prime, which means you don't need a pressure for a water. You can just put water in bucket and it will self prime, self pull the water. It comes with 1 year brand warranty and the model name is Supreme. Specifications of the product: power consumption is 1800 watt, so quite good power consumption. Voltage 220 to 240 volts. Power cord 4 meter, which is very good, decent size cable. But of course, depending on where your power connection is, you may need extra wire. Flow rate 6.5 liters per minute, and the pressure, what I saw in videos, is very good. So we will see today how it is. MRP 8,990. The month of import is January 2023. Definitely not a Indian product. It doesn't say where it has been manufactured, but I am 100% sure it's a Chinese product. Now let's open the product and see how it is. Let's open it. So it has the washing pipe. This pipe will be connected to the motor. It has a washing gun. It's a plastic washing gun. This is the self-prime pipe. So it comes with a filter and also a connector. So you can just plug and connect this. So this is the foam washer. It will be used to put foam. There's additional washer, connector and a pipe connector. Oh my god, the machine is very heavy. Very beautiful machine. This is where the pipe will be connected. So this is an inflow and this is an outflow. There is a meter also here where I think the water pressure will be shown. For some reason there's a water inside, but let's see how it is. There is an extension. This will be connected to your pipe, the pressure pipe, this pipe. And there is this connector where we will connect to the pipe. Overall, lot of products has come. One thing which I missed is the foam. This is very small foam gun. It could have been bigger. If we would have got that big one, it would be great. I will definitely buy that from Amazon. But for now, for 4,500, I think it's a great purchase. Now let's see how it works. Now this is the setup. We have installed the motor and we are using a tank water to show it will be self-prime. So this pipe is connected to the tank and the same is connected to the motor. And this spray gun is connected to, this pipe is connected to the spray gun. So now we have connected this pipe to spray gun and we just switch it on. After a few seconds, it will pick up the pressure. So now it has pick up the pressure. Very good machine, excellent pressure. There is a option to change the spray also, like a moist spray and then direct force spray. Excellent product, 5 stars. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.